Okay, so next we will makeしらす cheese pizza. しらす is this fish, little pieces of fish, or little tiny fish. お魚ね。お魚 is fish, Riley.
Fish.
Yeah, I'm gonna preheat the oven. We do Celsius, it's 250 Celsius. I will put the conversion in where I write the recipe in the YouTube channel. Okay, so the oven is preheating. We're gonna put one. Are you eating the fish? Don't worry, this is already cooked. Don't freak out. 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. So about half a teaspoon of miso. Is that good? Is it yummy?
Yummy.
Good for you. Okay, but don't eat too much because we're gonna make pizza. We're gonna make fish pizza, if I can say it.
I see.
I see. You say it's yummy.
Yummy.
She loves this fish. She's loved fish more than meat ever since she started eating normal food. Okay, so now you have miso mayonnaise. This is also good for dip, so you can just dip fresh veggies in this, like cucumber, carrots, celery. I can never say that word correctly. Okay, so now we're gonna put this on our pizza. Okay, my younger daughter is kissing the refrigerator. I think they're hungry. Uh-oh. What's wrong? You're okay. Okay, Ellie, now we're gonna put this on. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna sprinkle the fish on. Do you want to help? Okay. Now you. You sprinkle on top. And then we sprinkle some cheese on top. And it's actually good if you put oba on at the end. It's a type of Japanese herb, but my kids don't like it, so I'm not gonna do it. Okay, then we're gonna bake this in the oven for 10 minutes too.
Yum, yum, yum.
Yum, yum, yum. Okay, the pizza is ready. That looks delicious.